There he goes.
Back it in.
Now I got you.
So did he scare you?
No,
He didn't scare you?
no.
Go, Devin! Go, Devin! Go, Devin!
Go, go,
He
go.
got his boots on.
Boy, you're
He's
fast.
got his boots on for you.
Go off the curb or the stairs.
Help
Oh, stand up.
Ashley pick up stuff.
Cool.
Woo!
Whoa. Trick Rider.
Awesome!
New Metal Militia.
Oh, guess what? Starting to sprinkle a little bit.
Fuck.
Feel it.
Oops.
Go off the curb.
I shouldn't have
or
said
the
that.
stairs.
I'm sorry.
Don't have him go off that big ass.
No, he doesn't go off that one. I don't let
No.
him. After him hitting his
No.
head or his,
Devin,
or his
jump off the
chest,
stairs.
his chest. He did it last time. He hit his chest on the handle.
Yeah, and then he
scared
slammed
the
his
shit out of
fucking
me.
face on the ground.
Wow.
Come on, pedal.
He's got his boots on.
Oh, does?
He wanted to ride his boots.
Come on, go.
I'm wearing my boots just like my dad.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Good boy.
Papa Willie.
He's trying.
He's trying.
Look at him.
Probably getting so tired.
Yeah.
Woo.
Nice trick.
Good one.
Yeah.
All right. Whoa.
Next
Yeah.
one, five.
Yeah, she's strong.
That was the last dirt bike game. That last one. And it was also the
Well, what
last
about
Remember that? 'Cause I've been wanting that zombie.
Well, what about
ghost
that one for
cowboy
Abby?
game.
Was that the last one?
It was
Or
only second to the last one.
second to the last one?
There was one other one, and then that football game was one left to go.
Still like that. I said, I hope you guys get
Did you get that receipt out of that bag?
Yes,
Okay, I was gonna say it wasn't in there.
of course I did. I got both receipts.
How big was the line? Or how long was the
We
line?
walked right out to you leave.
Oh, did you?
Greg bought the monster truck, and I'm like, yeah, you fucking. I went through the check stand at fucking down out at the video place. Was one of
Slide
the-
sideways.
Greg's old receipt.
She said
sitting
show
there on
mom.
top
She
of
said
the
show
Burnout.
mom, but
Do
don't
a burnout.
show
Burnout.
Stephanie.
A
Big
big one.
one.
Go fast.
She said right now we don't show them to Stephanie or anybody in the family over that way. We only show them to mom.
Now do a sideways. Go. Shh. You know how to do
Okay.
it. Come on.
Yeah. Do a big one, baby. Sideways.
Whip it around.
Go. He's gotta
Drive
get it.
that
He's
so
gotta
You
get
got
it.
to get his speed.
Yep.
He knows what he's doing. He's gonna go over there to the leaves, so he gets spin around faster. Watch. He knows what he's doing. Where he goes.
No, not yet.
So good.
Spin. Or burnout.
Sweet.
Nice.